I'm thinking Lincoln. What are you thinking? Go take a look at some more. Hey, this is Steve Natale, and today in the garage, we're here at the Good Guys event, and we're looking at one of my favorite cars. I saw all these Lincolns over here, and this is a 1961 Lincoln Continental convertible. Just love these cars. It's just absolutely beautiful. They went from a really complicated design, 58 to 60, to this beautiful design, 1961, clean and elegant. Let's have a look. Everything about it is cool. It's unibody construction, which is kind of interesting. I remember for a long time these cars really weren't worth much money. Nobody really wanted them. I remember buying these things, hardtops, for like $600-700 and driving them home from the auction, enjoying them. Even when I bought them, people were like, "What are you buying this thing for?" I'm like, "Oh, it's because it's awesome." They're like, "You're weird." I'm like, "Okay, I know, that's fine." But look at the styling of this. It's just absolutely beautiful. These are the correct tires for 1961. Love the color. Just a wonderful car. There's something about a big four-door convertible that's irresistible. I know why today they're appreciating in value, because people are starting to really dig them finally. So I guess I was ahead of my time. I don't know. But yeah, just drinking this one in.
How are you, man?
Yeah, that interior is just neat. Looks like this one appears to have correct original, not original, but leather. It's looks nice. Got a little patina to it. I like that. So a lot of them are modified. That's fine, but I kind of prefer stock original like this on a Lincoln, on a luxury car. Plenty of room for everybody here. Let's go see some more Lincolns. I'm thinking Lincoln. What are you thinking? Go take a look at some more. Here's another one. Here's a 66. I love 1966. It's one of my favorite years. The body got a little bit bigger for 66, and I just love the styling. This one of my favorites. Everything about these cars is just cool. This one's got some wide white walls on it that aren't exactly correct for this year, but just neat car. I just love these cars. I really like is driving them. Nothing like being behind a wheel of a beautiful, large, heavy, gas-guzzling, magnificent, luxury Detroit automobile. Love it. Just had to take a quick peek at this one. We're gonna look at some more cars, but check us out later. For now, this is Steve in the garage in Pleasanton. Don't forget to like and subscribe.